Hello mga kalots. This is a make omelet, basal, purple barret, and carrots, sibuyas, atsal, and carrots. Yan mga kalots. Very delicious my breakfast. Yan mga kalots. Yan. Yan mga kalots. My breakfast for today. This is my breakfast for today mga kalods. Mapagpalang araw at good morning sa lahat. And God bless you all. I love you. God. Hanggang dito na lang mga kalods. Ang aking omelette may recipe for today. I love you.